the ah exercise. It's on the ah vowel. It's a very, very light and quiet sound. And we are going from the chest voice to the head voice, trying to eliminate the voice break by using a good amount of support and by stretching the throat wide open, like this. So if your voice cracks, it's completely normal. You cannot expect to be great at it right away. This transition is really tricky, so don't worry at all. The thing that can help you is going more quietly, right? So the more quietly you do it, the easier it is to do. And over time, you can build up the volume gradually. Okay? And then you have these two things too to guide you. It's the opening of the throat and the support. So as always, squeeze your love handles, you know, and push out your hands, especially when you approach the break. This is where you need the most support. So now let's go. You can see me do that.